In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a contact inside of Xero. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Xero like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to the menu and click on where it says contact. Then you'll get a drop down menu called all contacts. When you click on that, you'll have this option page. Then from here you need to select the option new contact up in the right hand corner. Then from here it should be looking something like this, where you can add a contact name which is required. This is the business or person's name. Then you need to add an account number, which is a unique account number to identify, reference, or search for the specific contact. You need to add a primary person, where you can add the first name and the last name of the specific contact. Then you can add the email address if you want to do that. Then you can also choose to add additional people if you want to do that, where you can add the first person, last person, mail, and you can also include this person in mail sent to the contract. Then from here you need to add in the phone number, where you can choose the country, an area code, and a phone number. You can also click down here to add a phone number, where you can either choose the fax, mobile phone number, or direct dial. Then you can add in the website, business registration number, and you can add your notes, which can be only viewed by the people in your organization. Then from here you need to add addresses. You'll need to add a billing address and a delivery address. And you can also enter the addresses manually by clicking on this blue icon up here. Then from here you need to go down to final details or financial details, where you add in the bank account name, you add in the bank account number, the details, tax number, and currency. Then you'll need to choose the sales default, where you can add sales accounts, where you can choose between all of these options right here. I'm not gonna go over all of them in this video. You can add the invoice due date, and you can select either if the of the following month, days after the invoice date, days after the invoice month, or the current month. Then you can also add the amounts are either use organization settings, tax inclusive, tax exclusive, or no tax at all. And down here is the sales tax, where you can choose the same options right here. Then you can also add a discount if you want to do that, and a credit limit amount. You can also click whether or not it should be blocked new invoices when credit limit is reached. And you can add a Xero network key if you want to do that down here. Then you need to go down to purchase default, where you can add the purchase account and choose between one of these options right here. You can add a bill date and select either of the following month, days after the bill date, days after the bill month, or the current month. The same thing you can do with the amounts are and the purchase tax. Kind of similar to the sales tax, and the amounts are up here in the sales defaults. But when you're done, you simply need to click save and close. And then you can see right here that your contract has been made. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!